Updating your home's landscaping is a great way to increase the value of your property and create outdoor spaces for relaxing and entertaining. Whether you want to focus on increasing your curb appeal with a front yard or backyard with dining tables and entertaining areas, there are many options and features to consider. Use the information which I am showing in this video. Please watch the full video, hit on the like button and also subscribe our channel for more videos. In the backyard, you can create a space for entertaining friends and family, complete with an outdoor kitchen, fire feature, pool, and more. You could create a lush garden that attracts and allow you to relax and reflect. Embrace the indoor-outdoor lifestyle by transforming your backyard into a comfortable retreat with these landscaping ideas. How do you can design your landscape? Before you start digging, you will need to have a plan in mind. Start with these 4 essential steps. Step number 1. Outline. Start with a rough sketch of your property or area to be worked on. This doesn't have to be scale at this point, but should include any permanent features such as your house, shed, large trees, or many things that are staying in place. Areas that are currently used. Measurement. Take that rough sketch outside and measure everything. Note the measurements on the sketch. Note where windows and doors are for views or traffic patterns, and also where water and electrical outlets are. Step number 3. Transfer your property map. Grab paper and draw to scale. This will become your master copy. Make note of sun and shade pattern as well. Step number 4. Use tracing paper over the top of your master copy and begin experiment with designs. How much does it cost to get a landscape design? That is a question. As with most home improvement projects, the price can vary greatly depending on the size and scope of the project. Homeowners can expect to pay $2,000 to $8,000 for a professional landscape design to be drawn for their property. As a common rule, homeowners spend approximately 10% of their home's value on landscaping. I hope that you like these ideas. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for more videos.